Hello, this is Mitch King with the Wednesday evening, October 7th, 2009 Daily Stock Report. Here's the Dow 30. Not much change today, and it looks like we're going to have an update tomorrow. The futures are up strongly today. Since we started earnings season after the market today, some stocks are up and really propelling the market to go up. Nasdaq Composite is also looking pretty bullish here. And it's going to be very interesting to see if we break through that high that I've been talking about so often. And this point right here is the previous high of September 22nd. So it could only just be within the week that we see higher highs. Very possible. That's kind of the orientation I'm looking for here after having several up days in a row. And what's likely to happen is if this market gets up higher than that September 22nd high in all these indexes, then we're likely to see a continuation of the bull run and start to see a little more speculation as we saw in the last wave of stocks here, right in here when stocks were moving up in here. We saw a little bit in here. And a lot of stocks start moving up when there's no sense to it. So that when we see a lot of day traders and individual investors, mom and pop, and even a small hedge fund start speculating in some individual stocks, that usually occurs after a bull run, especially in the late stage of a bull run. You start seeing that a lot. Let's go over a few stocks. Here's Pepsi, still holding up well. Looks like we're building up a new level really gradually. This is not a stock that moves quickly. Got a 4% dividend. Very popular with the mutual fund companies. Goldman Sachs went up another 1.8% today. Higher high, just looking excellent. FXI, which is the China Xinhua 25, also up another 1% today. This is acting very good. So far, so good. And Google had a huge day, up about 3.8%, along with some other tech stocks on the internet, like Amazon.com. was also up 3.3%. Baidu up 3.2% or $12.80 on a $400 stock. Even Yahoo moved up a little bit this last couple days, which is normally a dog of a stock. MasterCard finally got moving today, up 5% today. It's kind of made up for the fact that it didn't move for 3 days, and I was thinking that was pretty weak with the market going up and MasterCard hardly moved. So it's starting to catch up and making up for lost time. ABX is continuing with gold reaching all-time record high today. And Freeport-McMoRan up 4.5%. So the Dow indexes, or all these indexes, didn't really show what kind of underlying movement some of these stocks that we've got long are doing, especially the commodity-based stocks like Freeport-McMoRan is a copper manufacturer. STP so far is still okay on the long side for this swing. And RIM is starting to move. It looks like to me this is going to start heading up, possibly over $70 is kind of a next little target price to see how it's acting. Off to a bad start, trying these longs in the housing stocks like Toll Brothers and D.R. Horton. So these look like they'll be stopped out tomorrow if there's any drop tomorrow on these. Here's that speculative short sale of Yong, Y-O-N-G. Entered the short at around $10.40 today, got a lower high, and we're thinking that this starts turning over into the mid to low nines in the next couple days. The very dangerous stock, have a very small short position on this. And here's A1, A-O-N-E, made that bottom today at $22, bounced right off that, almost hit 24. We should see a couple days up on this here of the next few days. And here's the intraday chart on AONE, or it's called A1. And when you see that movement up here and just a flat line like this, pretty much very bullish sign in a market that's flat. Looking for a little bit of a swing trade on the long side for YGE. And another stock, HURN. Have a very small long position on these stocks. So you guys know the routine. Put the odds in your favor. Keep small positions. Don't leverage. You take care. We'll talk to you tomorrow night.